Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance mysteries one error code at a time. Today, we're tackling the GE front load washer error code E42, specifically for 2025 models. If your washer is flashing this code and refusing to start, you're in the right place. We'll cover what it means, why it happens, and step-by-step fixes to get your machine spinning again. Let's dive in. First off, error code E42 on a GE front load washer usually signals an issue with the door lock mechanism. This is a common problem that can pop up due to wear and tear or simple obstructions. Imagine trying to start your car with the door wide open. That's basically what's happening here. The washer's safety features kick in to prevent accidents, so it's not just a random glitch. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. This error often stems from a faulty door lock switch, debris blocking the lock, or even wiring problems in the control board. For 2025 models, GE has made some updates, so it might also relate to software glitches that can be reset easily. Don't panic. Most of these are fixable at home with basic tools. Here's how to troubleshoot. Start by ensuring the door is fully closed and latched. Sometimes, a simple misalignment does the trick. Next, unplug the washer for at least 1 minute to perform a hard reset. This clears temporary errors. Once it's powered back on, check for any visible obstructions around the door seal. If that doesn't work, you'll need to inspect the door lock assembly. Grab your owner's manual for your 2025 model, as it has specific diagrams. Use a multimeter to test the lock switch for continuity. If it's faulty, you might need to replace it, which is a quick part available online. If you're not comfortable with electrical checks, it's time to call in a professional technician to avoid any risks like voiding your warranty or causing further damage. Remember, safety first. Always wear protective gloves and ensure the machine is unplugged during repairs. To prevent this error in the future, keep your washer's door and seals clean from lint and detergent buildup. Regular maintenance can save you a lot of headaches. There you have it. You're now equipped to conquer error code E42. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.